Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Sure. It's good to hear that you are all fine. So now, class, I have here pictures. All you have to do is we're going to guess what is in the picture. What is that? Class? Yes.
It is a safeguard, teacher.
Yes, it is a safeguard. Do you have a safeguard in your
Yes.
What is the use of safeguard, class?
To stop your body.
Anybody?
To wash our body and our hands.
Yes, to wash our hand and body. In the second picture, class, what did you observe? Jan, what did you observe the second
There's a
picture?
water picture.
It is a water or it is a faucet?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have clean water in your home?
Yes.
What do you use, or what you should use the water of your home?
To wash clothes.
Wash the food.
Wash the dishes.
The dishes.
Yeah.
To cook.
Put it in our rice.
In the third picture, class, what did you observe?
Tissue.
Yes,
It is a tissue and a towel.
yes, it is a tissue or hand towel. What is the use of hand towel or tissue, class? Yes, Leah?
To clean or to get the extra water in our hands.
Yes, it could be. Yeah. So now, class, based on the pictures that you show, what do you think is our topic for this morning? Yes, Angelica?
I think, teacher, our topic in this morning, it is all about demonstrating the proper hand washing.
Yes, very good. Our topic this morning is all about demonstrate the proper hand washing. But before we proceed, we have an objective first. Everybody read.
Objectives.
Understand the proper hand washing is important. Demonstrate the proper hand washing. Participate in class discussion.
So now, class, these are the how to wash our hands. So everybody read.
How
How to wash our hands. Wet hands with warm water. Use soap. Use liquid soap. Lather for at least 20 seconds. Remember to rub palm together. Scrub the back hands between the fingernails. Rinse well with the water to remove all lather. Dry hands with using a paper towel. Turn off tap with paper towel, not with your bare hands.
Did you understand, class?
No!
So now, class, let's watch the video so that you can understand well.
Yes, teacher.
Ito, sabot.
that we use. Nanang
Ano equipment ba? Ano ang the proper hand washing man? Equipment is butin. Oh. Start.
Did you understand, class?
Yes.
So now I have a question. So what are the proper hand wash, or what are the steps? Anybody?
Sure.
Yes.
Hands with warm water.
Yes, with hands with warm water. Second, who can give? Yes.
Use a soap or a liquid soap.
The third, Angelica.
Lather for at least 20 seconds. Then remember to rub them together.
The fourth, John.
Spread with water to remove all water.
The last, Justin.
Dry hands well using a paper towel. Turn off top with paper towel, not with your face hand.
So those are the steps. And why do we need to wash our hands, class? Yes, Jamaica. Why do we need?
So that our hands will always clean.
Yes, very good. So now, class, I will group you into two groups. All you have to do is you're going to demonstrate the proper hand wash. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2.